X-rays. We will learn in this video about the electromagnetic waves that follow the UV, X-rays. As we can see, the range of frequency is between 10 to the power 16 and 10 to the power 18, and the range of wavelength is between 10 to the power minus 8 and 10 to the power minus 10. X-rays are not easily absorbed by matter. The denser the matter, the more they get absorbed, since if the matter is thin and less dense, X-rays will pass through it and they will not be absorbed. So, when they pass through people, the bones absorb more X-rays than fleshly parts of the body like muscles. And because X-rays have high energy, they can cause cancer. However, for sure, the level of X-rays used to take X-ray images in hospitals are regulated and can only cause a tiny increase in the risk of cancer. How are X-rays emitted? Using X-ray tubes, electrons are accelerated towards a positively charged metal plate, and when the electrons hit the plate, X-rays are created. Therefore, an X-ray tube is the source of X-rays, and their detectors will be the photographic film, semiconductors, and Geiger-Miller tube. Now, X-rays have many uses. They are used in medical imaging, such as images of broken limbs, also called X-radiography, and in crystallography, the science of crystals, scanning luggage like in the airports, safety inspection of metal work where X-rays are used to detect internal cracks in metal objects, and finally, in forensic examination of paintings. We will learn more about X-rays in further videos.